Hey everyone, Mark Saltzman here. This is the third part of my iPad 2 review, and this is all about the HDMI adapter. It's an optional accessory for the new Apple iPad 2. It's $45 in Canada or $39 in the US, and when you connect it to an HDMI cable and a big screen TV or any other HD source, you can enjoy all of the content on your iPad 2 on a big screen or a projector or what have you. So I'm going to show you here how it works, how easy it is to use, and some of the applications for it. So this is it. This is a little HDMI connector or adapter. You do not get the HDMI cable, which is the black one here, which is mine. In the box, you need to have that separately. But you simply connect it to the bottom of the 30-pin connector of the iPad 2, turn it off, turn it on again with the power button, and voila, you should see behind me the big screen here version of what I'm looking at on my iPad 2. So this is it. This is my home page, and this allows you to use the iPad 2 on a big screen with both audio and video. Don't forget HDMI handles both audio and video. I do want to let you know, however, that I've expanded it full screen. It does not look like this natively. In fact, it just took up the middle because it's a 4:3 resolution or aspect ratio. So I've expanded it, I've stretched it full screen, but it still looks great. So some of the applications for it, for example, might be games. So instead of having to look at the iPad itself, you can now, depending on the game, look at the TV instead. So something like Pac-Man, where you don't need to look down, simply swipe and away you go. This is Infinity Blade, just to give you an idea of the great graphics here, how good it looks on a 55-inch TV. So there you go, looking around, and really does, you know, this is almost like your new gaming system, your new console, if you will. Perhaps this is Apple's way of sliding into that space. So it looks great there. Of course, it's also ideal for looking at photos or video. Let me just pull up VLC, and this is a short video clip of me parasailing. I'll turn down the audio because you're going to hear a lot of wind. But basically, this is you know, me parasailing in Jamaica. So it's a great way of sharing camcorder footage with friends and family. Here we go. Let's try that again. Here we go. Turn it down. Okay, so this app does not let you turn it down, unfortunately, but you get the idea. You can actually see and share your memories on vacation with photos or video, in this case, big screen. Or imagine getting to a hotel room after you've shot video on this. Don't forget the iPad 2 lets you shoot in 720p video, and then you go back to the hotel room and then you can enjoy it full screen, or when you get back home and enjoy it with your family. Anything you can do on the iPad 2 lets you see it full screen, whether it's maps, surfing the web, here's picking up email, you know, here's you know, surfing the web, whatever you want to do. Let's just pull up a website. I don't know, let's go to CNN.com. Whatever you want to do on the iPad, you can now do big screen. So that's one of the cool features of the iPad 2 is support for this optional HDMI accessory. So very cool stuff. So if you want to grab one, I encourage you to do so. If you picked yourself up a new iPad 2, don't forget the HDMI adapter. I'm Mark Saltzman. Thanks for watching.